Stories about doubles abound. The doppelganger, the simulacrum, the reflection cast from water's surface, or Eve herself. Give the narrative a slight nudge and suddenly it's not merely a copy, but an argumentative binary. In architectural terms, we compare the beautiful against the ordinary, art and craft, new and familiar, responsibility and indulgence. Where would we be without the filtering parables of right and wrong? A house bath appearing twice, Crudely, is a show about being on both sides of the problem. It's a vulnerable position, really, to be both right and wrong. Everyone can see our weaknesses, and our aspirations are laid bare. In the gallery appear two side-by-side instances of a model constructed twice. One is a familiar frame and panel assembly with graphic coding, while the other is built like a taped-together paper model. Signs of architectural crudeness, leaks, stains, gaps, slums, even yellowing and taping, proliferate indiscriminately. Alone, they're craft-like and uncared for. Together, consistently deployed, each instance of crudeness is buffed into a vulnerable sketch of likeness, if not strength. We may disagree whether the model's double appearance suggests strong opposites or near copies, but it's trivial anyway. A double appearance reminds us that we don't inhabit singular identities. We can be more than one thing at once.